Okay, so we have some big news to talk about. I saw my channel got 20 subscribers today. So we're doing a 20 subscriber special. And then if there are comments on this video, more than 3 comments, 1, 2, 3, I'll do a Q&A of those comments. See, it will probably be really short because it's 4 questions. But since, you know, well, the 20 subscriber special, we're going to be putting on the first ever outfit that I wore when I started recording videos. For this, and until we reach 25 subscribers, I won't take it off. That's right. We're going home. I don't know if this is the exact color, but yeah. Alright. We put it back on. Ooh. I already claimed it. Smacked my wall. Oh yeah, I also got a Discord group. And it's called Skippy's Discord group for channel. It's helping with my channel. Now I'll try and pin it in the comments so that hold on, I will be right back, and I'm gonna edit the video too when I get back. I'm back. For you, that was like 0 seconds. But for me, that was like 30 seconds. Here. We're gonna do the first thing I did on my first video. Alright. Yep. It's the first thing I did. Chilling. It may not seem like that. I'm happy. I didn't expect it. No, my stuff. Okay, hold on. Just because this is the OG home, a place where I can go. Someone take me, you know, like the OG place where the top G's used to play, including me. Get out. Hold on, my friend's calling me. Oh, I did it. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I'm in, I was joining Dom 1, 2, 3. What? Nice. Yeah. I bet. You know, I could have just bought you a shotgun. Yep, Dom 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm filming a video right now, so do you want to be in it?
Alright, I'm in Dom 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm right here.
Hello. Oh, that's a nice suit
I'm using
you
my
have.
Sigma editing. I use my Sigma editing skills to edit it.
Hold on.
Even though I haven't edited it yet because I'm still recording. But yeah, now my
Alright.
now my friend.
So, do you want to see my shotgun?
I bet.
Yeah, so in my stash.
I also got a shotgun.
I found a shotgun.
Yeah, let's just call mine a little
But not only do I have the shotgun, but
wobbly wiggly wobbly. Guys, this is totally
also
not modded.
How do I put this ammo in here?
Oh, you hold the like the Y or the B button. I can buy you more ammo. Cause I'm rich,
just gonna
even
put
though
that
I'm.
So, wait, can you make a double with the glue? Can you get two? Wait, if we get two shotguns and we get the glue, then can we glue them together and make like a double barrel shotgun?
I think so. Yeah, let me get music. Goop.
I wonder how that would work. But it would probably do double the damage.
Yeah, I mean a shotgun already does damage because well, it's a shotgun. Here, maybe I want to put it on. The shotgun.
Yeah, two shotguns.
Yeah, let's see how much. Come out here real quick. I promise it's just a Nerf gun. I promise. Wait, you want to see a funny? On it. Hold on, Dom. You want to see a funny glitch? So grab this shotgun real quick. You're gonna shoot it. You're gonna shoot me outside of safe zone. Outside of safe zone. And then you're gonna stick these arrows into my body, and then it's gonna be funny. All right. I might have already showed you this.
2 arrows or just one?
Both of them, but I guess one's fine. Bum 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 boom bum 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 bum. Yo, is that a real shotgun or?
I swear it's an off gun.
Stick it into the dead body. Into my dead body. No, like in the you have to throw it at it, kind of. And now throw one in a different spot, like on the other side of my body. Oh,
Where did it go?
where? Oh, I'm over there. I'm over there. No, I'm over there. No, I'm over there. Dom, behind you. Dom, I'm floating.
Walking away.
Oh my God, he's getting juked. Imagine getting juked by the body, bro.
Wait, what if I put your ghost in there?
No, don't, no. I know. No, this is the only time I'm able to juke you. Here, Dom.
Look, a shotgun.
Bro, Dom,
Shotgun.
blow yourself up with this grenade outside of safe zone, like right here. Dom.
Yeah.
Blow yourself up with that grenade, like right here. Dom. Now we're gonna do it to you.
Right here?
Yep. Activate it. And it's a toy. Yeah, it's a toy.
That's definitely a prop, right?
No.
flying
No,
away.
I refuse to get juked by. I got juked. Oh yeah, just because you can fly doesn't mean you're better. It does. We will montage this until I get that body. No, we're not gonna do it because this. Never mind. We're gonna. Come on, you can't juke me. Ah! He's
Flying
cheating.
away.
Okay, bro. Who let this dude enter the Speed Force? we will return you to the body. Come on, get back here. No.
Is my dead body still there?
No, but the arrow's in you. Yo,
Yo,
Dom, do you want a lollipop?
Yeah.
Yeah, just come out here, yeah. Yeah, see, you can have the lollipop.
Ooh, my favorite snack.
Go take the lollipop. Ah!
Right behind you.
Give me this, bro. I promise, bro. I promise it's a Nerf gun. You should totally.
I stabbed it into your butt.
No. You should totally come out here, cause I just want to show you my Nerf gun. Pew pew. You know, see, it's a Nerf gun. Yeah, it's a Nerf gun. See here, Dom, I'll let you try it out. Yeah, it's just a Nerf gun. No.
I
I
think
thought
I
you were
look
gonna shoot
funny.
yourself. Oh, at least it wasn't me. Don't give me my Nerf gun.
It didn't shoot me. It didn't kill me.
Here, I'll reload it. We'll see if it can work. I'm just gonna shoot him. What? I definitely didn't. No, come out here.
Wait, give me some ammo real quick.
No. Yeah. Okay. What do you need ammo for? Here. I'll put these in the.
Oh, I didn't.
Put them in the bag. Dom, you should totally like come out here real quick. Yeah. Dom, you should come out here real quick. You should. It's not on your back.
You see this?
It's not on your back.
This
It's
is
not on your back. Yeah.
This you see this machine?
Yeah, I
This
see it.
is
You see this
the
machine?
invention
Get me
my shotgun back.
I wasn't gonna
The-
take it.
This is a machine that will make you fall asleep.
Ah!
Oh,
Oh,
look,
no,
look,
no.
looked.
Revive
That's
me!
asleep.
Revive me! Hey, why'd you shoot me? I totally did nothing. No!
Wait, I have an idea. I have an idea.
Yeah, well, I have a shotgun that I don't need because
What if
I am true Alpha Sigma and I don't even need
we take our shotguns
and shoot them at each other at the same
and we
time?
shoot them at each other, and whoever shoots first wins?
It's like one of them Wild West draws. All right, so once I
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I don't know.
oh, it's all right. So
Don't shoot me yet.
yeah, I know.
One,
We gotta.
two.
No, wait. Hold on. No. You stand here. You okay? You know what? Stay in that position. Put the shotgun on the ground so that. Yep. Here, I'll put mine on the ground.
What?
No, don't pick it up yet.
One.
And once I say go, then we shoot. 3, 2, 1, go.
One, two, three.
1, 2.
I didn't have any ammo.
I would have won anyway. Wait, can we come here, Dom? I want to see if this cheese gets like shotgunned. I don't know. Come here, buddy.
Wait, what's up there?
I don't know. But first, we're gonna see. Come here. You get shotgun though.
Bullet. The cheese is bulletproof?
You're not. Here, I'll get us grappler so we can get up there, because I'm rich. Dom, where are you?
I'm behind.
No, take the grappler. Take the grappler. We're gonna see what's up there.
Wait, I need a flashlight.
No, you don't. You do not need a flashlight. Though. Oh, there's a pizza. Dom, it seems that there's a pizza.
I'm at the cave. I'm at the cave.
And I'm behind you. Oh, yeah.
Run.
I totally knew we were going to the cave. Wait, Dom, there's a cute little doggy in here. It doesn't attack you for once. You need to go first because you have the lights and you're faster. So it's that way. The cute little doggy is don't step on the landmine. Over it. Oh my! Where's your ghost? Oh, I'm blind. I said don't.
I wish I had my shotgun right now.
Here, come here.
Ooh, a plunger.
You don't need the plunger, bro. Tom, follow me. Tom. All right, the cute little doggy is like just past here. All right. Bro, Tom, you need to go first. There's a cute little doggy. I promise you, it's a seal. He stepped on the landmine.
The doggy stepped on the landmine.
All right, we gotta find the other one because I know there's another one. Oh, it's right there. Go say hi to the dog.
The doggy.
Go say hi. You have
Is
to
it
get-
My ghost
can protect us from the cute little doggy.
Let's shoot it with no PP.
Okay, well I didn't know that would happen totally. Where's the...
It's over there, it's over there.
just,
Shoot it.
Just go say hi. It's not that... Okay.
Shoot the dog.
I
Shoot
promise
the
you, that was
dog.
just that one dog. That was just
Shoot
the
it.
one.
Shoot the dog.
Okay. I feel like I missed. I don't hear cute little doggy noises anymore, so it's probably that. I don't know if it's dead. I think it's dead. Yeah, it's dead.
I heard the noise. I heard
Yeah,
the
but
noise.
just try it one more time because it might be a different doggy, okay? Maybe that doggy just didn't like you. Alright, come on. I wish there's pushing in this game so I could just...
Here's the flashlight. Grab the flashlight.
Alright, fine. I'll walk up to the doggy this time. You just come with me, alright? Come on. Wait, why is your grandfather so long? No, you undid it. Here, come on, Dom. We're gonna go introduce you to the dog. Come on. It's just try it one more time, alright?
The dog.
No, just try it one
The
more
dog.
time. Just try it one more time, alright?
No.
Please. Please.
Okay, fine.
Just go say, I'll walk up to you. I'll walk up to it with you. Come on, say hi to... Okay, that scared me. We're about to get our cheeks clapped or something like that. Dom, are you gonna go with the little doggy? Dom, where'd you go? Oh. Oh. No, get it off. Yeah, my aura. Okay, now I can protect this. All right, come on, Dom. Let's go. Let's leave this game now. Yep. I think
Yeah, let's leave the cave.
I think we've seen enough of the cave today. Oh, why did my vision just... Oh, because I ate the MRE. How do... It's this way down. It's right here. Yep. Alright. I didn't mean to do that. Come down. No, come down.
Grab me.
I didn't mean to do that. I totally didn't mean to do that.
Totally. With
Now
that
so I
dog
can get rid of my
jumping in
stupid
our
little
faces.
stinkiness. You're dumb. Come out here, bro. We're gonna eat a hot dog. Don't ask
Ooh,
me.
a hot dog.
It's like a self-burning hot dog. I know, it's pretty cool.
Okay.
Alright, yeah, come right here. Come right here. Like, yeah.
Oh, it didn't. Why didn't it do with the watching?
I got a close up of your face.
Dom, your little your backpack, bro. Hold on. I'm gonna give you a haircut, alright? Hold on, Dom. I'm gonna give you a haircut.
Okay.
Hold on, let me just... Here, all right, come up here. Dom, come up here. All right, so stand in front of me so I can give you that haircut. All right, so we gotta. This is like the hair gel, totally. Don't mind it.
Okay.
Don't.
Yeah, give me my hairstyle. Ah! Ah!
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Ow! Ow!
What?
What a nice hairstyle.
Yep.
Ow!
Yo. All right, if you don't know how to braid, hit that follow button.
I look like an Indian. I look like
What?
I look like someone from the 1700s.
True.
Alright, I love my hair.
All right, now you gotta give me one. Now I
on
gotta take your haircut off so you can give me one. All right.
Alright. What hairstyle are you gonna give me?
No, you don't. You're gonna give me one.
Okay.
So use this, place it on my head, and then we'll see
So
my haircut.
what type of hair do you want?
I don't know. It just surprised me. 5 seconds later, I have like 7 mohawk lines. What? What? Yo, you gotta make sure to say, if you don't know how to braid, hit that follow button at the end. It looks like I'm wearing a samurai helmet. What? My eye! You still have 2 more, bro. Use them. Use them.
What
What are you doing?
Yeah. Don't still give yourself a cigar.
Yo.
And give you.
Oh my god, bro. What are you doing? What are we doing? What is this? You gotta make sure to say, if you don't know how to braid, hit that follow button.
If you don't know how to braid, hit that follow
What
button.
did you do to my hair?
What do you think?
No, I can't even see. Or well, I can see, but barely.
What do you think?
No, I'm taking
What
a
do you think of
screenshot, bro.
yourself?
Hold on. Shake your
Yeah,
cheeks. Shake your cheeks. Quick. Oh, it's too late. Okay, well, at least I got the picture. All right. Shaked his cheeks. Shake them cheeks.
What do you think about your new haircut?
You know, I think I'm gonna totally not go have a I'm totally
Wait,
not
give
gonna go
me a
smoke in the
haircut
bathroom.
again.
Totally not.
Ooh, a hot dog.
Give me 1 second.
Alright, you're gonna.
The bathroom exploded. But who exploded in the bathroom?
Bro. Yo. Hold on, Dom. I had such a
What?
bad poo. My hair blew all the way over here. Yeah.
Alright, give me a haircut.
Yeah,
Give me a
let me
haircut.
just get all the hair gels or whatever. Just get all the. Bro's hitting the...
biceps.
Yeah, because you're a monkey. Literally. You're literally a monkey in this game. Okay, were you hitting the 67?
In real life.
Bro, was this guy really hitting 67?
Where does the backpack go?
Alright. I'll cook you up. What haircut
Alright,
are you
give
looking
me a
for, bro?
It surprised me. Give me a worst haircut.
Alright, bet. This is the one we call the unicorn horn surprise. You know, you'll have one of them rat tails. I could send you a picture of what it looks like when it's done. Oh.
My hair got on fire.
No. Oh yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, try to look at it from the side.
Send a picture of us. Send a picture.
Hold on, stay on the side. Let me take a
Send
picture.
a picture of a side profile.
Here, let me get a better one. Hold on.
Yeah, send me a picture of a side profile.
Alright, got it. I'm sending it to you, bro. I'm sending you both.
Alright, do you wanna bowl myself?
Here, I sent you the picture.
Wait, hold still real quick.
Oh, you still got a hair on you. I sent you the picture. You should check it out.
Alright, what do I look like?
I might have to blur me out of it.
Amazing. One amazing haircut.
Yep, that haircut might
Right.
be Cora.
Give myself should I give yourself a haircut?
Yeah, you should give me a haircut.
So, alright, hold still. And then we're gonna
Okay, when I look like this, it looks like I have no neck. Do you see it? Okay, we're not turning me into a gangster, but okay. Oh, you're giving me one of Master Wu beards.
a beard. You're
Oh, hold on, you gotta
going to
give me like a
have
mustache, like right here.
mustache.
Yo, what did you do to my hair? Oh, hell no.
Oh.
Uh.
And we're also gonna give you a mohawk.
What? Nah,
And
this
then
crookest
you're
mohawk
going
I've
to
ever
have
seen. No, I think he's trying to give me a pee-pee. No. No, you can't do this, bro.
That's not letting me.
Yeah. Okay, where is that hair growing?
We're going to give you
This is the crookiest mohawk I've ever seen.
yeah, no.
I am Master Wu from Kung Fu Chanda. Oh, wait.
Kung Fu Panda? That's not the right thing. That's Ninjago.
Same thing. Whoa. Everybody was Kung Fu fighting.
Wait, T-pose real quick.
What?
T-pose real quick.
No, this dude's about to give me armpit hair. No. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. You need to make sure all the glue
There.
is fully off the ground like that.
Do you want me to send you a picture?
Yes, please do, from the side. Because I can see it from
Alright, put your arms down.
Did you get the picture? Oh, you're gonna send it to
I'm
me.
gonna send you the
Yeah, you
picture.
should. Oh, I forgot you already checked it out.
I'll
Oh
send you a
yes,
picture.
that's beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hold on, I need to
mustache.
take a picture of this in my mirror, bro.
And also you have a tail.
No, that's from my suit. All right. Yeah. No. Why you do this? Why you do this? So what are we gonna do with this haircut? Since I don't want this to be a 17-hour-long video, I'm gonna end it here. Please subscribe. Subscribe.
Give me it.
Say subscribe to me,
Give-
or I'll put this
give
down
me-
your butt or up your butt.
Give me your worst. Do your worst.
All right, bet. After this, I'm gonna end the video, and you better say subscribe at that to subscribe to me at that. Can't get my. Oh, I got my little unicorn, huh? Yep. Oh yeah. Here, I can send you a picture of what it looks like. Here, I'll send you a picture of what it looks like from the back. Because you can already see.
The best muscle man, right?
Yep.
This guy.
Big guy. Big guy. Alright, I sent you the picture, or it's sending. I totally did not give you a PP. You should check it though. Yeah. Hold on.
My haircut is so file, it can be lit on file.
Get back up there.
Oh wait, you missed one. You missed one.
I know. I did that on purpose. Alright, now get back
Alright,
up
I
here
want to
before
see
I
myself
shoot you
now.
with my tranquilizer, even though it's-
Alright.
Alright, so
subscribe,
say subscribe. Yeah, good boy.
to his. Oh. No.
Oh god. Alright, since I'm gonna
Subscribe
shoot
to
him with the
his-
tranquilizer, yeah.
Subscribe.
Alright, so Don, since I can
and
edit
like.
super signally, I'm gonna shoot it and then I'm gonna edit it, and then you're gonna be on the floor like because I shot you the tranquilizer. Alright, Dom, I'm gonna shoot you. Now act like you got shot. Act like you got shot by a tranquilizer, bro. Like, yeah. And I'll make some weird noises. Okay, I think I shot him with the tranquilizer. Alright, Dom, you can, yeah, alright. Subscribe, please. Please subscribe.